Creating a mobile app in WIX is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open the WIX application on your mobile device. Here tap on Create New. Now select what you want to create. Enter the type of store you would like or search for the store type. Then tap on Next. Enter your store's name. After entering the store name, tap on Next. Now select what you would like to add to your store. After making your selections, click on Next. Enter the product name and price. You can also add a photo by tapping on App Photo. Tap on Add. Now you will see your website being created. A mobile app can boost site engagement as users can instantly stay updated through post notifications. And tapped Finish editing your website. Then choose the app you want and customize it to fit your brand. Created in WIX.